Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through creating a V2Ray server and setting it up with the Dark Tunnel VPN. Whether you're looking to bypass internet restrictions or just enhance your online privacy, this step-by-step guide has you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open up your browser and search for the VPN Jack website. Once you find it, click the official site. When you're on the home page, head to the top right corner and click on the menu button. From the drop-down, find the V2Ray section. You'll have a few options here, like V2Ray, VLS, or VM. Pick the one that works best for you. Next, select the server location that suits your needs. After that, click Next and choose a server. Then, enter your username and complete the recaptcha. Finally, hit the Create Now button. In just a few seconds, your server will be created, and you'll see the details. You can copy them manually or hit the Copy button for easy access. Now, let's set this up with the Dark Tunnel VPN app. Head over to the Play Store, search for Dark Tunnel VPN, and install the app. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll land on the home screen. To configure V2Ray settings, click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Config. From there, choose Import and then select Clipboard to import the server details you copied earlier. Now you can adjust your settings, like entering a valid SNI and fine-tuning the V2Ray configuration. Once you're ready, hit the Connect button. And just like that, you're connected. Your VPN is set up, and you're ready to browse securely. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.